Here I bring another Philips product, Shaver Series 3000. Let's do a quick unboxing. Instruction. It's a shaver. It's a bit heavier than the one I'm using at the moment. Charger. Start. Let's look at the no battery. Yeah, I guess I will need to charge it. No, flipper comes from here. Here we go, we have it fully charged. Let's have a look. Here's the color. It's alright. It says 5D. Feels very comfortable. Let's turn it on. Here's the sound. And if you have this on, it's a flicker up. Then it's both ways, all turning, all working together. It doesn't stop the other side. Just grab this. This one will be working. Yep, it's a flicker. And it's using a charger. This is wet and dry, so you can actually put a phone on top of this and use water to rinse it. And you're supposed to change the all this metal bit every 2 years. So that's the shaver compared to my previous one. Also happened to be a Philips. Similar sound. The flipper, yeah, so it works both ways. This is a push up. This is relief. Smaller form factor. This is larger one. Obviously this got an extra bit on the top, which it says 5D. It says 60 minutes runtime, 1 hour charge fully, 5 minutes quick charge, and obviously with the pop-up trimmer. come from bright, and then also you can put found on top of this. Thanks for watching.